Hi, my name is Craig Myers. I'm from Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, and Tested for Life in Canada sent me this 4-liter warm cool mist ultrasonic humidifier from NOMA to test. Let's see how easy it is to put together. Instruction booklet. As you can see, right out of the box, it's almost ready to go as it is. What I really like about this setup is the ease of use. Simply pop the top off, pour your water in, place the lid. Power button simple right on the front. You can set the level, clearly noticed on front here. You can change your temperature, and you can also set a timer if you want. As you can see, it's already blowing cool steam. If I want to change it to heat, flip that over. And it's starting to warm up already. And one button again, very simple controls, very easy to use. I'd recommend this for anyone. It's portable, it's nice and compact, can fit in any room in the house, and it does a really good job. Thank you.